Publishing. Who needs to go over publishing again? You do? Okay. So I'm going to create a example. This is an example publish file. Now I showed you earlier display. I showed you earlier. I showed you some things earlier. Display type. Let's do that. Do I already have a function created? It looks like I have a function created. Sine, right? It just finds a sine of the angles. It's a real simple function, just to demonstrate how functions work. No, I don't want to save it. Why would I want to? I just opened it, and I haven't changed it. I am going to do one change, though I don't want to see it every time it executes. And I do want to save it this time. Okay. Now a publish file, it's a regular script, and I think I did an untitled 2. There we go. So I'm going to go save as. You can do save as through the GUI. I'm going to go my pub. So this is an example of a publish file. And plot the sine. Create angle vector and find sine. The double percents give you a heading. The double percents give you a chapter section. The double percents will cause things to execute and then so they'll execute and display the stuff that comes from before, and then it'll have a second execute and display for the stuff that comes after. So double percent without any section title is just a way to break things. It creates a new section. If you put a section title in, it becomes a chapter in your publish output. So I'm going to go x equals 0 to, let's see, what should be my step? 3.6 degrees to 360. And I want to suppress output, but I want to tell people what I did. If I just run this section, there we go. It won't show anything. It didn't show anything. It did create X though. Where's X? There it is. Okay, so now I want to tell people what I've done. This is where the display command comes in. So I can just display. You can put comments in your display command. So this will show up. This won't. The actual command won't. X won't. And I think I wanted to use my func, right? This one. This creates the sine of the angle. Go back to my editor, and I've got two things in my editor. Find sine. So the second block, so this will create chapter settings, and I'll go y equals my func of x. Now I also want to tell people what I'm doing. And I can go copy and paste. Okay. And then is myfunc sign or is myfunc sign D? Just in case, I'm going to do sign D. Sign in degrees. Save it. Okay, so now we're finding the sign in degrees. And we want to know what that function looks like. Let's do something a little different. This time we can go to a type. And I'm not sure. This is a Matlab command. I want to double check that to make sure that it works okay. Go to my command window. Go ahead and execute it. And it says it doesn't like it. So let's try. And I misnamed it. I did a misnaming. So that works okay. So as long as I get the right name. Oops, where is it? This will type out what's in my function. Create a new section. And then finally, let's plot it. And we can put and that's the end. That's it. Okay. Now, let's see. Publish. There's publish. Publish. Let's edit publishing options. We want to be sure we can output format. The default is HTML. Let's make it PDF. You can take PDF to any printer in the world and print it out, and so you ought to be fine there. And publish away. And did it not like something? It does crunch on it a while. So, oh, there. No, it's fine. Okay. It crunches a while. It brings up there's the file. It came up automatically in Adobe PDF. Table of contents, the double % titles. So if I did a double %, I got this. The displays right here. It's that I'm displaying this. I'm typing the function. I'm getting finds a sign. Oops. I know the problem. I forgot to put an underscore. And of course it doesn't like it. And it found X and Y because X and Y already exist. So I got to go back and edit my function. Anyway, that demonstrates the use of publish. Any questions?